You're looking at a simple glass jar, or at least that's what you think. In the next few seconds, you'll realize it's actually a living ocean. Inside this tiny jar exists a world your eyes were never meant to see. What if I told you a plain glass jar could transform into a complete living ocean in only 100 days? I carefully places small, smooth stones as substrate, followed by miniature sea moss, forming a nascent landscape. Immediate close-up macro shots reveal initial signs of life. Fragile green algae strands adhering to smooth stones. Immediate close-up macro shots reveal initial signs of life. Fragile green algae strands adhering to smooth stones. Tiny, shimmering oxygen bubbles, like minuscule jewels, detach from delicate algal leaves drifting upwards. This meticulously crafted ecosystem isn't for conventional fish, it's a sanctuary for microscopic organisms. To infuse this mini ocean with dynamic vitality, 3 types of fascinating microanimals are introduced now. These tiny creatures navigate their new world with frantic energy, posing no threat to delicate algal structures. The delicate, ghost-like shell separates, drifting slowly and ethereally through the burgeoning algae. A remarkable scene captures a cloud of infusoria, gracefully moving as a collective entity among algae. Macro shots reveal breathtaking transformation. Green algae multiplied exponentially, forming lush, undulating clumps. Thriving copepods are frequently observed carrying visible egg sacs at the posterior end of their bodies. Alongside green algae, brilliant golden-hued diatoms colonize surfaces, shimmering with an iridescent sheen. Increasingly, large, distinct oxygen bubbles detach from dense algal foliage, rising purposefully to the surface. These are no longer tiny specks, but noticeable spheres, demonstrating vigorous photosynthetic activity. Under macro magnification, the sheer density of life becomes apparent within the miniature ecosystem. Copepods and rotifers weave intricate paths through thick algal forests, resembling a wildlife documentary. The stark contrast between day 1 and day 100 is astounding in the micro-ocean's transformation. Lush, real algae, visible microanimals and crystal-clear water, a documentary-quality glimpse into a miniature world. Increasingly, large, distinct oxygen bubbles detach from dense algal foliage, rising purposefully to the surface. Thriving copepods are frequently observed carrying visible egg sacs at the posterior end of their bodies. This provides shelter and food for microscopic inhabitants, enriching the ecosystem's textural diversity beautifully.